Hello, everybody. Welcome to the course, Etsy Mastery, Setup, Launch, and Success. I'm very excited that you've joined us. In this lesson, we will explore how Etsy's search engine works. This will help you understand better how buyers find your shop and products. It's important to note that on Etsy, buyers primarily use the search bar to find products, similar to how they use Google. This is the most common way to find specific items they want to purchase. When people come to Etsy, they typically just type what they want to buy into the search bar. Since I will be selling sticker designs for t-shirts, for example, I'll enter t-shirt design. As you can see, the system displays all shops that sell products matching the query, t-shirt design. Additionally, there are other ways to find desired purchases, such as through editor picks or filters. But most users still enter queries directly into the search bar. When we talk about search engine optimization, SEO, this is exactly what we mean. The search bar on Etsy is essentially a search engine. The words buyers enter into this bar are called keywords. When this happens, Etsy's algorithm faces the task of reviewing millions of listings and selecting those that are most likely to interest a particular buyer. How does it do this? It happens in two stages. The first stage is a straightforward process of matching the keywords entered by the buyer with those listed in your product listing. There are 4 places where Etsy looks for keywords. First, the title of your product. This is the name displayed alongside the shop name. Now that you know the title should include keywords, you can change the title in the administrative section. Second, category. This is the classification of your product. For example, right now we are selling our product in the digital prints category. Third, attributes. These are additional characteristics specific to your product category. Fourth, tags. These keywords are added in the administrative section of your listing. You can use up to 13 tags. These categories and tags function as keywords, helping Etsy understand that your product matches the buyer's search. Buyers can also search in the similar items on Etsy main page. Think of this as the first filter that quickly eliminates all items from the database that do not contain the buyer's keywords. Items that do not match the query are considered irrelevant. This is what we mean when we say our products need to be optimized for search. This is what SEO, or search engine optimization, is about. Search engine optimization means that if you want to be found for a specific query, such as t-shirt design or digital prints, you need to ensure that these keywords are present in your titles, tags, attributes, and categories. Important to know, Etsy doesn't have to find keywords in all these places. It's enough if they are present in just one. If they are not found anywhere, your item simply will not appear in the search results. After Etsy has excluded all products that don't match the buyer's keywords, it faces the challenging task of ranking the remaining items. Ranking means determining which products will appear on the first page and which will appear on the 10th page. In other words, which items will be at the top of the first page and which will be at the bottom. It is known that buyers are much more likely to purchase products that are on the first page and closer to its top. Therefore, Etsy aims to rank the remaining items in order from those most likely to be sold to those less likely to be purchased. To do this, Etsy considers a number of elements, which I've grouped into the acronym TALLER test. I learned about this from a course I took to learn how to optimize my Etsy shop. The author named it the TALLER test to help us think of each of these elements as a small advantage that makes our product more visible among others. The more visible our product is, the higher it will be on the first page of search results for the desired query. Remember this with the following letters. T. Titles and tags. A. Attributes and categories. L. Location. Etsy considers the location of shops in specific regions, such as the EU, Australia, and Canada, to increase relevance for buyers from these countries. L. Listing quality score. This is an internal rating that Etsy assigns to your product based on its performance in search. E. Experience score. This is an internal rating of your shop based on customer service and policy compliance. R. Recency. This refers to how recently the item was added or updated. T. Translation. Etsy will show results that match the buyer's language settings. E. Engagement history. Etsy analyzes the buyer's interaction history with products to determine the likelihood that your product will attract their attention. S. Shipping price. For buyers in the US, offering free shipping gives a search advantage on Etsy. T. Tag keyword order and placement. Etsy considers the order in which keywords are placed in your title, tags, and other areas. In the next lesson, you'll learn why this two-stage Etsy algorithm process is crucial not only for setting up and listing your products, but also for successfully launching your shop with maximum buyer engagement. See you in the next lesson.